Hi y'all. Hey, this is the intro to the 2024 million calorie gardening season. You know, it's about 3 or 4 months early, but you know, you got to start early. So this is my pond, 24,000 gallons. You can see it's pretty low. I keep putting a marker and it keeps going down. But I thought I was gonna have an abundance of water this year, and it didn't work out that way. Even though I had 24,000 gallons, you know, I went through it pretty quick. I was putting in about 2,000 gallons a week, and this is the worst year I think in the history of you know, Texas for heat wave. Let me show you what I did over here. You know, everything's a learning experience. I started putting an upper level. I'm gonna run, you know, the bottom electrical fence did good to keep the cattle out. But now I'm gonna run a line on top, right here, see where all those yellow markers are, to keep the raccoons out. I think it might have been raccoons that came in this time. But as you can see, I tilled everything. But my PTO is working off and on, so it was kind of hard. But I'm gonna leave the gate open so that these cows could eat what's left of the Asian beans. It's still green, that way they'll get something and they'll be able to eat the corn. But I think I'm gonna do my rows this way now instead of long, because I really didn't get much on the end, you know. It was too long. These are like 30-foot rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 7, about 40-foot rows right here. So I'm going to try this way this time, and still keep it horizontal, still keep it going that way right there. All right, I'm going to plant something down after I get this. You know, I got it rough tilled right here. I'll probably throw down some fertilizer or something, and then make the rows probably next week, and you know, just have them ready to put something in there like daikon radish or maybe even spinach to build, and then I'm going to till it in to build up soil fertility. All right, I don't know, this is each one of these between these poles is 7 feet, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 7 times 11, you know, whatever that comes out to. All right, see y'all later.